Assalam-o-Alaikum, welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share NUMS, National University of Medical Sciences 2025 original solved paper for MDCAT 2025. This paper will help you for the preparation of upcoming MDCAT 2026 for NUMS University. There will be total 150 MCQs, 40 MCQs from physics, 40 from chemistry, 15 MCQs from English, and 55 MCQs from biology. So you have to 2.5 hours, 1 minute per question. And biology, the weightage is given overall on cell biology, genetics, physiology, ecology, and evolution. So you have to revise FSC part 1 and 2 thoroughly. Physics MCQs cover all FSC topics including mechanics, waves, electromagnetism, modern physics, practice, and these MCQs. Chemistry 40 MCQs covers organic chemistry and mechanism, functional groups, and industrial chemistry. English, you have to cover grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, articles, and prepositions. So you have to attempt English and biology first, and after that, physics or chemistry. I would suggest you to solve at least last 5 years papers for the preparation. This MDCAT 2026 is going to conducted on 23rd August 2026. I have already uploaded different past papers of MDCAT, including Sindh MDCAT 2025, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa MDCAT 2025, and University of Health Sciences MDCAT. I will upload the portion-wise, area-wise questions so that you can get preparation accordingly. So here we go, section 1, physics from question 1 to 40. Question number 1, the path of charged particle in a plane perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field is A. Circular, B. Helical, C. Parabola, D. Elliptical. And the correct option is A. Circular. In a uniform magnetic field, a charged particle moving perpendicular to the field experiences a constant centripetal force, causing it to move in a circular path. Question number 2, magnetic force acting on a charge at rest is A. 0, B. Positive, C. Negative, D. Infinite. And the correct option is A. 0. Magnetic force, if the charge is at rest, V is equal to 0, so F is equal to 0. Magnetic force only acts on moving charges. Question number 3, if mass of a charged particle is doubled, cyclotron frequency becomes A. Doubled, B. Halved, C. Quadrupled, D. One-fourth. And the correct option is B. Halved. Halved. Cyclotron frequency, since frequency is inversely proportional to mass, doubling mass halves the frequency. Question number 4, in uniform circular motion, average velocity is equal to same as A. Linear velocity, B. Average velocity, C. Uniform velocity, D. Instantaneous velocity. And the correct option is C. Uniform velocity. In uniform circular motion, the speed, magnitude of velocity remains constant throughout. This is the definition of uniform velocity in terms of speed. The particle moves at constant speed, making it uniform velocity in magnitude. Question number 5, electric field intensity of infinite charge sheet is equal to, and the correct option is D. For an infinite plane sheet of a charge with surface charge density A alpha, the electric field on each side is E is equal to, derived from Gauss law. Question number 6, stability of radioactivity element is determined by A. Decay constant, B. Rate of radioactive decay, C. Time of decay, D. Number of radioactive nuclei. And the correct option is A. Decay constant. The decay constant characterizes the stability of radioactive nucleus A large decay constant means less stability, faster decay. It is unique to each isotope. Question number 7. 1 kWh is equal to A 3.6, B MW, B 3.6 MJ, C 3.6 kJ, and D 3.6 GJ. And the correct option is 3.6 mj. 1 kWh is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 seconds. So it will be 3,600,000 joule. That means 3.6 into 10 power 6 is equal to 3.6 mj. Question number 8. Rectifier converts A. Altering voltage into direct voltage, B. Direct voltage into alternating voltage, C. Alternating current into direct current, D. Direct current into alternating current. And the correct option is A. Rectifier converts alternating voltage into direct voltage. A rectifier is an electric device that converts alternating voltage, that means AC, into direct voltage DC using diodes. It is the primary function of rectifier circuits. Question number 9. Basic requirement for induced EMF is A. Flux linked to coil, B. No flux linked to coil, C. Coil should be circular, D. Change in flux linked to the coil. And the correct option is D. Change in flux linked to the coil. By Faraday's law, EMF is induced only when there is a change in magnetic flux linking to the coil, not merely flux being present. Question number 10. Product of force and time is equal to A. Change in displacement, B. Change in momentum, C. Change in velocity, D. Change in acceleration. And the correct option is B. Change in momentum. Impulse is equal to force into time. This is the impulse momentum theorem. Question number 11. Resistivity of a copper is, and the correct option is A. 1.54 into 10 power minus 8 ohm. Question number 12. Bursting of tire is an example of which process? A. Adiabatic, B. Isochronic, C. Isothermal, D. Isobaric. And the correct option is A. Adiabatic. When a tire bursts, air expands rapidly without exchanging heat with surrounding, too fast for heat transfer. This is an adiabatic process. Question number 13. Direction of angular velocity can be found by A. Right hand rule, B. Fleming left hand rules, C. Lenz's law, D. Faraday's law. And the correct option is A. Right hand rule. The direction of angular velocity vector is determined by the right hand rule. Curl the fingers in the direction of rotation and the thumb points in the direction of angular velocity vector. Question number 14. When a star moves towards the earth, that shifts in is known as A. Blue shift, B. Red shift, C. Compton shift, D. None. And the correct option is A. Blue shift. When a star moves towards Earth, the light waves are compressed, Doppler effects, increasing frequency and shifting towards the blue and the spectrum, called blue shift. Question number 15. Angle at which maximum range of projectile is achieved? A. 0 degree, B. 45, C. 90, D. 76. And the correct option is B. 45 degree. Question number 16. Which of the following spectrum is produced when atoms are in the gaseous state? A. Continuous spectrum, B. Band spectrum, C. Line spectrum, D. Absorption spectrum. And the correct option is C. Line spectrum. When atoms in gaseous states are excited, electrons transitions between discrete energy levels and emit photons of a specific wavelength, producing line emission spectrum. Question number 17. Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. Its unit is A. Siemens, B. Ohm, C. Ampere, D. Watt. And the correct option is A. Shaman. Question number 18. During rubbing of hands, internal energy A increases, B decreases, C 0, D remains same. And the correct option is A increases. Rubbing hands converts mechanical or kinetic energy to a heat via friction, increasing the internal thermal energy of the hands. Question number 19. If velocity is doubled, what happens to kinetic energy? A remains same, B doubles, C quadruples, D halts. And the correct option is C quadruples. Kinetic energy become quadruples. Question number 20. On a clear day at noon, intensity of solar energy is A 1.4, B 1.2, C 1, D 1.3. And the correct option is A 1.4 kilowatt per. The solar constant intensity of sunlight at Earth's surface on a clear day at noon is approximately 1.4. Question number 21. Work done is positive if angle is A. And the correct option is A. Work is positive when cos theta greater than 0, which occurs when 0 degree less than or equal to cos theta or less than 90 degree. Question number 22. The electrical potential at dense distance r is given by the formula, and the correct option is A. V is equal to kq upon r. Question number 23. Which of the following acts as a semiconductor? A. Iron, B. Silicon, C. Zinc, D. Tungsten. And the correct option is B. Silicon. Silicon is a classic semiconductor with a band gap of 1.1 dB. Widely used in electronics, iron, zinc, and tungsten are conductors. Question number 24. The friction change in resistance per Kelvin is A. Coefficient of conductivity, B. Temperature coefficient of resistance, B. Coefficient of conductance, C. Coefficient of resistivity. And the correct option is B. Temperature coefficient of resistance. It represents the fractional change in resistance per unit change in temperature. Question number 25. Quantized momentum was explained by A. Einstein, B. Bohr, C. de Broglie, D. Rutherford. And the correct option is B. Bohr. Bohr postulated that the angular momentum of electron is quantized. De Broglie later explained why through a wave nature of matter, but the quantization of momentum was first proposed by Bohr. Question number 26. Angle between A and R is A 90 degree, B 80 degree, C 45 degree, D 60 degree. And the correct option is A 90 degree. In circular motion, centripetal acceleration is always directed towards the center, radially inward, while the radius vector R points outward, making the angle between them 90 degree. Question number 27. EMF induced is 0 when plane of coil is A. Perpendicular to B, B. Parallel to B, C. Anti-parallel, D. None. And the correct option is perpendicular to B. EMF is equal to NBA watt dot sin theta, where theta is angle between plane of coil and B. When the plane of coil is perpendicular to B, the flux through coil is maximum, but the rate of change of flux is equal to 0. So induced EMF is equal to 0 when parallel to B. EMF is maximum. Question number 28. The spectra obtained by absorption or emission of radiation by atoms of the gas. A. Atomic spectra, B. Molecular spectra, C. Bond spectra, D. Continuous spectra. And the correct option is A. Atomic spectra. Atomic spectra arises from electronic transitions with individual atoms in the gaseous state, producing sharp lines characteristics of the element. Question number 29. Two waves identical traveling in the same medium are superposed. A. Interference. B. Diffraction. C. Reflection. D. Refraction. And the correct option is A. Interference. When two identical waves traveling in the same medium overlap, the principle of superposition applies. The result is interference, constructive or destructive. Question number 30. The work done by centripetal force is A. Maximum, B. Minimum, C. 0, D. Negative. And the correct option is C. 0. Centripetal force always acts perpendicular to the velocity towards center. Since W, therefore work done by centripetal force is always 0. Question number 31. Which of the following has highest specific heat capacity? A. Copper, B. Iron, C. Water, D. Glass. And the correct option is C. Water. Water has the highest specific heat capacity, 4200 joule, among common substances due to the hydrogen bonding. This is why it is used as a coolant and moderates Earth's climate. Question number 32. In photoelectronic electric effect, stopping potential depends upon A. Intensity of light, B. Frequency of light, C. Speed of light, D. Amplitude of light. And the correct option is B. Frequency of light. Stopping potential depends only on frequency of incident light, not intensity. Higher frequency, great kinetic energy of emitted electrons, higher stopping potential. Question number 33. Power of lens is measured in A. Meter, B. Diopter, C. Candela, D. Watt. And the correct option is B. Diopter. Power of lens, its SI unit is diopter. D. Covering lens has a positive power, diverging lens has a negative power. Question number 34. The SI unit of magnetic flux is A. Tesla, B. Weber, C. Henry, D. Farad. And the correct option is B. Weber. The SI unit of magnetic flux is Weber. Tesla is the unit of magnetic flux density. Henry is inductance. Farad is capacitance. Question number 35. Half-life of radioactive element is 10 days. After 30 days, fraction remaining is 1 upon 2, B 1 upon 4, C 1 upon 8, D 1 upon 16. And the correct option is C 1 upon 8. Number of half-lives is equal to 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Fraction remaining 1 upon 10 cube is equal to 1 upon 8. Each half-life reduces the amount of by half. Question number 36. Which type of wave cannot be polarized? A. Radio waves, B. Light waves, C. Sound waves, D. X-rays. And the correct option is C. Sound waves. Polarization is only possible for transverse waves. Sound waves are longitudinal particles vibrating along directions of propagation, so they cannot be polarized. Question number 37. The energy stored in capacitors is A. QV, B. QV upon 2, C. Q square V, D. 2QV. And the correct option is B. QV upon 2. Energy stored E is equal to 1 upon 2 QV is equal to 1 upon 2 CV square is equal to Q square upon 2C. The factor 1 upon 2 arises because voltage builds up gradually from 0 to V during charging, making average voltage is equal to V upon 2. Question number 38. Which phenomena proves the transverse nature of light? A. Interference, B. Diffraction, C. Polarization, D. Refraction. And the correct option is C. Polarization. Polarization restricts light vibration to one place, possible only for transverse waves. This definitively proves light is a transverse electromagnetic wave. Question number 39. Absolute zero temperature is equal to A. 0 Celsius, B. minus 173 Celsius, C. Minus 273 Celsius, D. minus 373 Celsius. And the correct option is minus 273 Celsius. Absolute 0 is equal to 0K is equal to minus 273.15 Celsius. At this temperature, all molecular motion theoretically ceases and entropy reaches its maximum value. Question number 40, the last questions are physics. The process of converting AC into pulsating at DC is called A. Amplification, B. Modulation, C. Rectification, D. Filtration. And the correct option is rectification. C. Rectification converts alternating current AC into pulsating a direct current using diodes. Half wave rectifier uses one diode. Full wave rectifier, a bridge rectifier uses four diodes. Subscribe to Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Thank you. I will upload the remaining section soon. Stay connected.